she's like, it's already contingent, sorry, so that's kind of brutal. But your theme song I listened to, top of the hour was Love is the Law, right? And I love when there are little moments in your life when something just reminds you that there are good people in the world, because there's so much going on these days, right? There's so much negativity, and I'm not a big guy on endorsements, and this is coming from me personally. I'm not speaking on behalf of any group organization.
Oh dear, here we go.
I'm struggling to buy a house. We're looking, but so when you can't buy a house, what do? You go buy a car.
What'd you buy? A Tesla?
I bought a GMC, one of the SUVs, and I'm telling you right now, I went to the Walser Buick GMC in Roseville. Again, I don't do this, but I'm going to tell you what, I had the best experience ever there. Gabe and Kirk were the sales folks, and I'm leading up to the star of the story here in a little bit, but they just made it easy. I got a great deal, and I wanted to tell so many people about my experience today. I'm very happy, but there's a woman named Mel who works in the parts department of that dealership up there in Roseville, and wouldn't you know, when I went to go get my floor mats, she comes out from behind the counter and she says to me, well, actually, she sang to me,
"It's Matt Belanger."
And once again, I'm on television every day for hours and hours, and the people come up to me in the community, and they're like, "I listen to you on Lori and Julia." That's all I ever hear. I don't hear anything about being on television.
That's Rocco producing a great theme song for you.
Yes, he did.
And so I mean, Mel was wonderful. They're just a great bunch of people. And I left there. I mean, heck, I dropped. You buy a car, you spend some money, right?
Yeah,
it hurts the pocketbook. But I left there with a smile on my face because it reminded me of just there are good people out there, and they're doing great things. And I had to tell you that story because obviously Mel is a super fan of you too. But also, it was just such a wonderful time. It just made me feel good all over.
Oh, that's nice to share. Thanks for sharing with us.
Yeah, no, thank you for indulging me. I really appreciate it.
And you finally got a car.
Yes, and I finally gave in. I've been riding the light rail for a long, long time.